Bad dog. Take this bad dog. Stop, bad dog. Mom, let me take a picture of them. Oh yeah, we were going to take a picture of me laying over there.
Give me a minute, I'm comfy.
Can you take a picture of this though? Did you take a picture?
Mm-mm.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at you.
The picture?
Because you're a dork.
Mom, you gotta watch me. You're making the screen dark.